let's talk about complex fractions. So someone asked a question about complex fractions. In particular, they wanted to know what 6 divided by 11 divided by 2 squared equals. Okay, so that's a good question. So what does that equal? Now, there might be some confusion here because we have 6 divided by 11 divided by 2. So the way we're going to work this is we're going to figure out what 6 divided by 11 divided by 2 is, and then we're going to square it. Okay? So let's take that as a little side problem. And what we're going to do is we want to know what 6 divided by 11 divided by 2 is equal to. Now, 6 divided by 11, I'm going to put parentheses around the top two numbers, not the bottom two. I'm not going to do 11 and 2. So I'm going to treat it like this, and I'm going to treat the top two numbers as one number. That's my numerator, and the 2 is my denominator. And I'm going to multiply the numerator by 11, and I'm going to multiply the denominator by 11. Now, why am I going to do that? Well, I'm doing that because 6 over 11 times 11, the 11s are going to cancel. I'm going to wind up with 6 as my numerator, and I'm going to wind up with 2 times 11 as my denominator. Now, why didn't I just put 22 down there? I could have, but this is easier because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this becomes 3 divided by 11. Okay? Now, if I do that, then that makes this top problem a lot easier now, because 6 over 11 over 2 squared is the same as 3 divided by 11 squared, which is equal to 3 squared divided by 11 squared, which is equal to 9 divided by 121. Notice I didn't do the bottom two numbers first. Okay, notice I didn't do that. If I wrote 6 divided by 11 divided by 2, this is completely different. Because if I multiplied the numerator by 2, and I multiplied the denominator by 2, if I did it this way, this would equal to, the 2's would, the 2 would cancel with the 1/2 down here, and this would equal to 6 times 2 divided by 11, which is equal to 12 divided by 11, which is not right. Okay, so notice that these are two different problems. Okay, so I hope that answered everyone's question, and I look forward to more questions from you guys. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.